Hello friends, I had some trouble with my SendGrid account. It wasn't sending any email, so they asked me to send an email using this documentation. TELNET was not working, the steps were a little confusing. So I'm using Mac. First you have to install homebrew. If you don't have, then you can do the instruction and then brew install TELNET. I have already done that, so I don't need to do it. If you haven't, it will download and install TELNET. TELNET doesn't sometimes come with the Mac. So next thing is let's prepare. I have created this API key temporarily. I will delete it for demonstration purpose. I just created for my SendGrid account, and I will copy that and paste it here in that website and convert it to base 64, and this is ready. Now what I will do is go to these instructions. Avoid this first one. This is just base 64. It didn't work for me. I think it won't work sometimes. So this command also has some problem. Just copy this and paste it here, and then use instead of port 25 this other port 578 and enter. Sorry, 587 87, enter. Once you do that, then what you need to do is you need to add this command hello, tell it hello. So this will say I'm ready, then use auth login. This will ask for the password. This is basically this step, auth login, and then for us to use that API key, instead of username and password, copy this and paste it as a username, and the password would be the base 64 of that key. Copy that and paste that, and it will say authorization successful. Once that is done, then I can proceed with that other thing, so after that I can add those other steps. First, mail from. So I have already made this. I will just copy paste it. You can also do that. Okay, hamadatranges.com, and then after that the next step will be a receipt to. I have created that. I don't have to type it. Press enter, and next step will be, once you're done, type data. I want to send data, and then after that you can add your recipient address. So for me, I will use my personal email address. I have already pasted that command, and then the subject will be, I can add a subject to it. So after that, this is the subject. I just copy paste that, test subject message, and then your message. So your message will be hello, email is sent, and press enter. And once you are done, at the end it tells you press dot. So basically the server will respond usually with that my message from. Okay, I don't have from. I forgot the from. I think email from. Yeah, of before the subject you have to add from. So basically that will work. This helped me a lot, so I hope you enjoy that and try that out. Thank you.